Hello dear students, this is Kavita and I hope you people are good, safe, well and fine at home. Today we are going to start a very new chapter of our civics part, that is chapter number 1, the Indian Constitution. And also we are going to learn about that how the Constitution is created, what is the timeline of our Indian Constitution and why there is a need of a law in a society. We will be also reading about many important movements such as the Salt Satyagraha movement, the Chipko movement and the anti-liquor campaign. So keep on watching our videos.
As we all know that the law is an important part of a society because it serves as a norm of conduct for citizens. It was also made to provide for proper guidelines in order upon the behavior for all citizens and to sustain the equity on the three branches of the government. It keeps the society running properly. But why is a constitution important for us? So, a constitution is important because it ensures that those who make decisions on behalf of the public fairly represents the public opinion. It also sets out the way in which those who exercise power may be held accountable to the people they serve. The executive, the legislature and the judiciary are the three main organs of the government that the Constitution establishes. These three are the sources of stability of any country, and without them, the only thing that will rise is terror and corruption among the masses. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions, and sets out a fundamental rights, directive principles, and duties of the citizens. The world's lengthiest written constitution has 395 articles and 22 parts and 8 schedules at the time of commencement. Means when our constitution was framed, it was framed with 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. But now the Constitution of India has 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules as present. There are certain key timelines in the Constitution of India. In 1948, which are constitutional process, it was like in 1946 when Britain decides on to grant independence to India and cabinet mission is dispatched to India to discuss modalities for transfer of power. Again in 14th August 1947, proposal for creation of committees are tabled. Then on 29th August 1947, in the same year, in the same month, drafting committee was established. And on 6th December 1947, Constituent Assembly formally convenes for the first time, following elections to start the process of writing a constitution. 4th November 1947, draft was finalized and submitted. Then in 1948 to 1949, the Constituent Assembly meets in sessions open to the public. 26 November 1949, the Constitution Assembly adopts the final draft making it official, and on 26 January 1950, finally entry into the force of new constitution was being done. So basically, overall, it has a long and a lengthier process. What is law and dissent? Now here the question arises. Dissent is a fundamental right. To question, to challenge, to verify, to ask for accountability from the government is the right of every citizen under the Constitution. And these rights should never be taken away. Otherwise, we will become an unquestioning society which will not be able to develop any further process and communication. There are other case laws such as the Salt Satyagraha movement, which was held in 1930, the anti-liquor campaign, Chipko movement. So these all actually shows that how the law is came into force and how it works. So for more further videos, keep on watching our YouTube channel. Thank you.